Okay, so this is multiplying and dividing integers and decimals. The lesson objective for this lesson is I can multiply and divide integers and decimals. We're going to hop right into it because there's no real difference in vocabulary for multiplying and dividing integers as there was for adding and subtracting integers. You won't need to worry about absolute value in this lesson, but you will need to worry about positive and negative. So let's start with the first rule. The first rule in multiplying and dividing integers is this. If the signs are the same, you multiply or divide and the answer will always be positive. That's different than adding and subtracting. These are the easier rules to remember, so I just want you to remember this big one. If the signs are the same, multiply or divide, and the answer will always be positive. So let's try that. Well, these are the same, negative and negative, so 2 times 12 is 24, and since it's two negatives, the answer is going to be positive. Now, these are two positives, so 4 times 9 is 36. That hasn't changed at all, okay? Down here, dividing, same rules apply. 32 divided by 8 is positive 4. And over here, two negatives, so 56 divided by 7 is positive 8. Hopefully that's easy peasy and you don't have any issues with it. The second rule for multiplying and dividing integers if the signs are different, the answer will always, always, always be negative. Okay? So let's look at this one. This is negative and a positive, so negative 2 times positive 11 is, I know it's going to be negative because the signs are different, negative 22. Can't see that very well, so I'll use yellow. And this is positive 4, negative 9, so that makes it negative 36. 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3, and negative 81 divided by 9 is negative 9. If you have any questions, write that down. The rules apply to both multiplying and dividing. Oh no, what happens? What about decimals? Doesn't matter. The same rules apply. So when I look at this one, I know that my answer is going to be positive, and when I look at this one, my answer is going to be negative. So pause the video, try these by yourself, and then come back and see how you did. All right, so negative 1.5 times negative 7.1 is positive 10 and 65 hundredths. All right, and 3 and 2 tenths times negative 2 tenths is negative 64 hundredths. That was a quick lesson. That's probably one of the shortest you will have. Write anything down that you have questions about. Make sure you get all of your examples in your notes and bring it to class with you tomorrow.